Hello, learners and parents. Welcome to English 3 for Week 4, Quarter 1. Our lesson for this week is about plural form of regular nouns. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use the plural form of regular nouns by adding s or es. Let's take learning task 1. Write the plural form of the following nouns by adding s or es. Alright, so number 1, hand. So you are going to add s only. 2, stem. What are we going to add? Is it s or es? Alright, so it is s. What about 3, cave? It ends with letter E. So, you are going to add only S. Number 4, tail. So, you are going to add S. And then, the last number, 5, parent. You are going to add S only to make it plural. Alright. Moving on to learning task 2. At the left, you can see the 5 singular nouns. And at the right, you can see the choices of their plural forms. So children, you are going to encircle the correct plural form of the given singular nouns. So number 1 is pail. Number 2 is book. Number 3 is shower. Number 4 is cross. And number 5 is torch. Do this in your answer sheet. Okay, do it now, children. Not all nouns form their plurals by adding s. Most of the nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, and sh form their plurals by adding es. So, this time, children, you are going to write the plural form of the following nouns. 1, kiss. 2, bench. 3, eyelash. 4, axe. And the last one is waltz. Okay. Before you are going to answer learning task 4, be reminded, children, that some nouns ending with F, double F, and FE form their plurals by adding S or by changing first the letter F to V, then add ES. So this time you are going to choose the plural form of the words ending with F, double F, and FE. So you are going to choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the blank before each number. All right, so let's take number 1, belief. A, is it beliefs? B, believes. 2, shelf. A, shelves. B, shelves. 3, chef. A, chefs. B, sheaves. 4, cliff. A, cliffs. B, cliffs. And number 5, life. A, lives. B, lives. So, children, choose only the letter of the correct answer. Let's now proceed to learning task 5 on page 21 of your module. So identify the correct plural form of the words ending in Y, O, and F. So you are going to choose only the letter of the correct answer. So your choices are A or B. Then write it on the blank before each number. Do this in your answer sheet. So number 1, baby. A, babies, ending with S. And then letter B, babies, ending with IES. 2, echo. S is added for letter A. And for letter B, ES are added. 3, roof. S is added for A. And then for letter B, F is changed to V, then ES are added. 4, display. S is added for letter A. And then letter B, IES are at the end of the word. And for the last one, bamboo. So AS is added at the end. And for letter B, ES are added. So children, choose only the letter of the correct answer. You can do it. Part also of your lesson this week is about plural form of irregular nouns. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use the plural form of frequently occurring irregular nouns. Examples, children. So it is wrong to say children's. Feet, it's not correct to say feets. And teeth, it's not correct to say teats. That's wrong. Okay, so these are examples of irregular nouns. Their spellings change. So let's answer learning task 1. So below are irregular nouns. Remember, children, we do not add S to these words to form their plurals. So we change their spellings. All right. So number 1, criterion. So you are going to choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the blank before each number. Do this in your answer sheet. So you are going to choose from A, criteria, B, criterions. Letter number 2, foot. Is it foots? That's for A. And for B, feet. 3, alumnus. Is it A, alumna, or B, alumni? Number 4, louse. A, louses. B, lies. And for the last number, woman. Is it A, women, or B, womans? Choose only the letter, children. The letter of the correct answer. Moving on learning task 2, you are going to transform the following nouns into their plural. So number 1 is oasis, 2, apex, 3, datum, 4, ship, and then 5, focus. So, children, you are going to change their spelling to form their plural form, except for sheep. All right. Let's now proceed to learning task 4 on page 23 of your module. Complete the sentences with the correct plural forms of the nouns in parentheses. So number 1, the blank. So the noun is sheep crossed the road. What is the plural form of sheep? Okay, number 2, the farmer has 30 blank axe. So write the plural form of axe in your answer sheet. Okay, number 3, the larva will become beautiful butterflies. What is the plural form of larva? Write it in your answer sheet. Number 4, there are many blank equipment in the warehouse. Okay, what is the plural form of equipment? And the last one, the desert animals get water from the blank oasis. So what is the plural form of oasis? Write your answer in your answer sheet. We are now in the last task. Choose the correct irregular noun from the box to complete the sentences below. So your choices are trout, sheep, teeth, men, and swine. So number 1, Mila brushes her blank. The ones we use for chewing our food. Okay, number 2, the fisherman caught plenty of blank. 3, the farm owner takes care of the blank for their fur. 4, the hog owner herds the blank to their cages. And the last one, number 5, the blank wash their cars. So, that's all, children. Thank you, learners, parents, and guardians. Till next time.